Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do Azula from Avatar: The Last Airbender, the one and only. We're going to be starting off with the eyes today, and I wanted them to be very sharp and not, not blended, not soft, very sharp. So we're doing some tape today. So we tape our eyes generally in the same angle you would do a cat eyeliner, and we're going to do our shadows. For today, we're going to keep her a little bit more low-key. We're going to be going on warm browns and a little bit of red. Now, this first color that I put on was just a warm brown. You can stop there if you want. She doesn't need a whole lot of eyeshadow, but today we're going for the full thing. On top of that, I'm putting some more rusted colors. The whole point is to go from a very light brown as your base, and then go a little bit of a darker red in above your crease space, and then the darkest red in your crease. Now, this light, bright red I'm putting on is kind of like a top coat. I'm putting it on top of everything, and I think it gave it the right shade of red that I was going for without a full red palette. Now, all I'm doing is adding a liquid gold eyeshadow. You can use a normal eyeshadow for this as well, but it just adds that nice level of shininess on the lid and a little bit above the lid. Now, for eyeliner, I would actually suggest with tape, it's a good training wheel if you're learning how to do winged eyeliner, but I realized the line always ends up chunkier than you want it to be. So if you're capable of doing a winged liner without tape, do it without tape, because she deserves a much thinner line than what the tape could give her. I also put a little bit of a triangle on the inner part of the eye, and that gives her a little bit more of a villainous look. We're gonna contour our nose to make it skinnier, more villainous. We're gonna be also putting it in the hollows of our cheeks, right under our lips, and then also on our jawline. And for that stark contrast, especially on the nose and the cheekbones, go ahead and re-highlight with either a concealer or just anything that's brighter than your skin tone, and it helps to really accentuate the shadows and the highlights of your face. We're also bronzing a little bit just to give a little bit of color back to our flat base. With blush, we're going to put it right on the cheekbones, not on the apples of the cheeks. Go towards the back of the face. Along with a nice red highlight I happen to have, go ahead and just put that on top of the blush. And then for the under eyes, we don't want to forget about them, especially since we started with tape. We're just putting the exact same colors on the bottom, along with tight lining with the best purchase I've ever made, which is a beige eye pencil. It's a little bit less stark than the pure white that is usually recommended for anime girls. It's a more mature look that we put on the waterline. With your brows, I'm making them a little bit more pointed than usual, that nice arch, and just bringing it down almost to the tip of our winged liner. I'm actually elongating the brow. For lips, she doesn't necessarily have red lips, but I didn't have a particular color that worked for her perfectly. So I'm putting down a nice dark nude. We're gonna go over that with more of a pink, and then finally we're doing a splash of red. You can do this however you want. You can just wear a nude lipstick. I just happen to have multiple colors and a lot of time on my hands. Now, what really sells any look is the false eyelashes. Don't be afraid. Go hard. She deserves it. Hi, yes, thank you for watching my Katara makeup tutorial. It's hair loop. It's hair loopies. Thank you guys so much for watching my Azula makeup tutorial. I'm usually not one into the scariest of characters, but with a little bit of a boost from the person who lent me this wig. Shout out, thank you, Megan. She got me into the mindset of this lovely, murderous lady. If you want to check her out, she's in our group cosplay Instagram. I always link it down below along with her personal Insta. She makes the perfect Azula and full outfit. I did not put on the whole outfit. I forgot. I'm sorry. If you guys want to see my other avatar makeup tutorials, I have a playlist. I made enough I could make a playlist now. If you guys have any other recommendations, please let me know. There's endless characters to do, and I love every single one of them. If you guys liked it, please leave me a like, subscribe, ring the bell. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, week, morning, afternoon, whatever the heck time zone you're in. See ya.